Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another try on haul. This week we are featuring Target. So I'm super excited. I don't think I've done a Target like try on haul since like last year. And honestly, it's hit or miss with me in Target, and where I live in Target, it's a city Target, so it's like so much smaller. They just don't have a ton of things. So I did purchase all this online, and I actually don't like purchasing from Target online. I feel as though like they don't make things look the best. They need better styling when it comes to what they're like featuring online, personally, because there are things where I've seen them online and I'm like, oh, that doesn't look good. But then when I see it in store, I'm like, it's so cute. So I don't know. I just feel like sometimes I'm left to wonder, and I'm like digging through online to try to find some stuff. But I did find some cute stuff. We're gonna go through everything. Like always, everything is linked down below for you guys with the outfits that I style. I think I got a total of like 10 pieces and I styled them in like, maybe I didn't get 10 pieces. I'm not sure exactly, but everything will be linked down below, as well as my measurements and the size of the items that I did personally purchase from Target. This video is not sponsored as well, just as a heads up. Let's start with some accessories. The first thing, I saw these clips and I couldn't help it. They're so adorable. They're like a gummy, sort of like a rubbery clip. I just thought these were so precious, especially for summer. I want a baby girl, if you can't tell. These are super cute. These are from their Wild Fable line, which I believe is their like teen line. But I don't care. I still love them. I absolutely think they're so precious. And I wear a lot of like basic whites and neutrals and things like that. And I've been wearing my hair in a bun. Not right now, but obviously. But I've been wearing my hair in a bun a lot more, and I thought this would be cute to like just kind of give it a little zhuzh. And I wear a lot of white, like I said, so I figured these would be a fun pop of color throughout the summer. They're really cute. They're just like a little claw clip, and they come in a bunch of different colors, and I love these. So that's the first item. Okay, I got a bunch of sneakers, and I am a sneaker girl through and through. I love them. I wear them with dresses. I wear them with shorts, with jeans. I love them. And honestly, I have quite a bit of them, or no, I actually don't have that many sneakers, but I'm trying to find and expand my collection a bit more. My favorite sneakers of all time are the Arigato sneakers, which I live in. I wear them at least, I don't know, probably twice a week. They're so good. But I'm afraid that if I continue to wear them, they're gonna wear out, and then I'm not gonna own them anymore. So I wanna like kind of get some more to spread around. And I used to be a Vans girl. Like I would wear Vans all the time, but I think my style has changed a bit where I'm not as casual as my Vans like they were for me in the past. But nonetheless, I wanted to check out Target's sneaker section because I feel like you can find some super cute, just basic sneakers there. But in the past, I've found like slight issues with them, and I want to talk to you a little bit about the ones that I did pick up. These are so cute. These remind me of those Madewell ones that I tried, which I did return those because they were just too bulky for my feet. And similar thing to this. So these are so cute. I love the perforated toe. It's got like that faux suede here as well as in the back. They have a couple of different colors in these. I just got the gray ones to start with. I did get a 7. I'm anywhere from a 6.5 to a 7, and I would say these fit just a bit too big on me. So I'm going to try the 6.5 and see what I think about them. Other than that, they're nice. They're a narrow like shoe. They're not too wide and chunky. The laces are just, it's a little stiff, but I think that I can like work it, you know. These aren't the like most amazing quality. Obviously they're like, I want to say they were like 20-30 bucks, so you definitely notice some like flaws in the quality, but they're still super cute. If you're looking for just a trendy sneaker, these are really cute. These would go really well. I wouldn't necessarily pair these with a dress per se, but I would pair these with shorts, with jeans. Yeah, they're super cute. So I'm gonna try these in a 6.5 and see. The next pair of sneakers, I love these sneakers, except why is this part so fat and poofy? Like it's just, it looks so wide. And I know I'm really the only one that can tell, because I don't think you can tell once it's on the foot, but this part is just so too big. I don't know. Besides that, I love these sneakers. They are so cute. I like the perforated sides on them. I like how they're all clean and white. I did notice on which one was it where it had like a little bit of an issue? Yeah, just like you can tell from here, I don't know if you really can tell, the quality control is a little off. Like, so you can see like the toe, like it lifts up, this rubber like didn't get flush with the bottom. Just as a side note, obviously not a deal breaker because they are affordable, but still, like, even if something's affordable, I still want it to be good quality, right? So the only thing I have complaints about is this faddle, like part where you put your foot in. But besides that, I love the toe of these. I love the perforation. I love that they are all white. And I think they're super cute, especially with like all white sneakers like this. You like typically the like high-end brands, you don't even have a ton of branding on it. So I feel like you wouldn't even know that you're like, these are from Target. Not that it matters. I'm just saying. But yeah, I just feel like you can see it's not flush either. There's just a little bit of misses, but these are so squishy, so soft, so comfortable. These are a bit heavier than these guys. These are a little bit like heavier weight, but both really comfortable, very cute. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look at the try on and see. Scott thought they were really cute when he saw them. He's like, wow, those look really nice. He's like, where'd you get those from? And I was like, Target. He's like, Target? And I'm like, yes, Target. So could be cute, could add some cool laces to it with a little bit of detailing that could make them look even nicer. All right, they launched these sandals. Maybe it wasn't last year, maybe it was the year before, or it could have been possibly last year. A similar sandal to this, and I love these sort of sandals. I know they're not everybody's cup of tea, but I think they're adorable. Last year I bought a pair and I ended up having to return them because they had like a scratchy bit on the like toe part, and I had seen so many people complain about it, and I tried a different pair and it still just like wasn't working. I honestly wanted the blue and green pair of these, but they sold out so fast, so hopefully these are still available. I know they have a bunch of different colors in them. These are really cute. I need to size down. So I got, again, a 7, and sometimes I'm like, I just tend to go up to a 7 instead of a 6.5, but I am a true 6.5 in these because I have very small like ankle parts, and so to fit this, like, I would need to like have this big old piece just strapping off, and because I don't want to feel like I'm gonna roll my ankle in sandals, because to be honest with you, I fall up the stairs more times than I can count in a week, so I need to have sandals that actually like support my feet, or else I'm gonna fall up the stairs. All of these parts can make tighter. This part, the toe part, the ankle part, and the heel part, you can all make tighter. I love all the different colors, super cute, love the heel, love all that. I just need to see if they have these in a 6.5, and these guys in a 6.5, and I'll let you know. But overall, these were super cute. I love the quality of these are amazing, amazing, and I love them. They're just, like I said, too big. So hopefully getting the 6.5 they'll fit better in the foot area, and maybe the straps will be a little bit smaller because that's my issue. So yeah, those are all the accessories. Let's move into some clothing. So this first piece, y'all, is a bit out of my comfort zone, but I fell in love with it, and I'm so happy that I got it. It's very 70s retro, but it is the most beautiful sweater dress in the most beautiful colors. Orange is my color. Orange is my new favorite color, and I got an orange pair of pants in here as well. But this pink and orange and tan, oh my god, it's like a midi length dress. The only thing I wish it did is it had a little slit in the leg, but it doesn't. But this is super stretchy, so it's fine. It's like forgiving. It's got this like high neckline, which I love. Everything about this dress, the quality is amazing. The colored choices are so pretty. They also have other options. They have like a checkered and a floral as well. I love this. I think this was like 28 bucks, and it's so freaking cute. You can dress this up with heels, or you can dress it super casual like I did with sneakers and a denim jacket, which is so cute. I absolutely love this. If you live in a place that actually has like colder-ish spring instead of Dallas, which it's literally 100 degrees out, then this would be super cute for the springtime. Love. Okay, this is not new, but I figured I needed to mention these because if you've never gotten the racer back like high neck tanks from Target, this is one. I own it, and I want to say 6 or 7 different colors. They're so good. They are just such a good staple basic, and I show you how I style them, so I wanted to mention those, and those will be linked down below. Okay, these little gauzy shorts. I love gauzy shorts, but I always have an issue with them being see-through, and I wanted, in my defense, the blue ones, but they were sold out when I like went to buy them. So these are this neon green and they are just a bit too sheer. The quality is awesome. The fit of these is really nice. They're small, they're 15 bucks. They're super cute. You could throw this over like a bathing suit if you wanted to, instead of making it a full outfit. I would wear it with as a full outfit with like a linen button down or like that tank and a denim shirt, jacket or whatever. They're so cute and I love this bright neon. It just, I don't know how things like this get past quality control. It's like you can clearly tell that it's see-through. Do we not care that clothes are see-through anymore? I'm pretty sure people care. So I don't know. Cute like elasticy waist with a little bit hanging up the top, so a little bit of that paper bag effect. Love the little dolphin cut of the shorts with the little slits. So cute. And it has pockets, but little bit sheer. Okay, another sheer. But I love these. I literally love these. I love orange. Orange is my new jam. I love these sort of like gaucho-y type pants. These legitimately remind me of gauchos. Throwing it back there. Love the ribbing of this. These are so cute. I honestly need to size down in these because they're just too big in the waist, but I'm afraid if I size down in them, they'll be even like tighter and like not tighter in my waist because that's what I want, but tighter in my like leg crotch booty region, and they'll be even more see-through, so that's what I'm so bummed about. But they're so cute. So if they have other colors, I'm gonna look. I do love this orange color. That's the primary reason I picked it, but I do just love these sort of like pants like this. They're like loungy, but can be dressed super cute. Like I said, dress it up with a button down, dress it down with like a bodysuit. Really cute. So a bummer. Like again, who tested those? Did no one test those? I don't know. Okay, I decided to try a pair of jeans from Target. I have gotten their Levi jeans in the past and I like them a lot. They're one of my favorite pairs of jeans, but I decided to try out the Wild Fable and I was nervous to see how they would fit because they are, like I said, a more like teenage line. So I did go true to size. I got the highest rise, a slim straight in the waist to 26, and they fit perfectly. I don't know if I love the wash, I'm not gonna lie. They're cute. I like the distressing in the knees. I like the raw hem on the bottom, but I don't know if I love the wash. It's almost got like a brown tinge to it. Is that a trend coming back? Other thing just to mention, the stitching on the little like crotch area is a little rough. You can obviously cut that, but overall they're cute and they fit really nicely. So if you're in a pinch and need like a good affordable pair of denim, these were 25 bucks. For 25 bucks, good, but I think I like my Old Navy ones better. Okay, I love like short sleeve button downs, button ups, whatever. I love button ups, button downs, any like sleeve length, but I love short sleeved ones for the summer. I think they're just so fun and you can dress them casual. I mean, you don't really dress them up, but you can put them with jeans, you can put them with shorts, and I just feel like they're a very like complete outfit besides a t-shirt, but you still feel like you're wearing a t-shirt because they're easy. This one's cute because it's got like a minty green with a yellow like orange streak through it. It's got that checkered like pattern. It's very lightweight, very gauzy. Yeah, it's cute. I really like it. I love button-ups. I love short sleeve button-ups. This is cute. Obviously, again, wear it jeans, wear it with shorts, super cute and basic. It honestly like reminds me of a Madewell shirt. I feel like the quality is really nice, so love that. And then last but not least, I decided to get a blazer because like I've said in previous videos, I am trying to expand my blazer collection, but I love lightweight blazers. So I saw this linen one in store and they didn't have an extra small, which is what I wanted because I do find that it runs a bit big. So size down if you can, if you plan to get this. This is cute. I feel like they always come out with something like this every year. The only thing I do not like is I would wear it with a tank top just because it's a lightweight linen blazer and I wouldn't wear it in the winter. I'd wear it in the summer. And the sleeves aren't double lined and they're like that itchy linen. So I like, I don't know, I can't get past that. I wish that it was double lined. Like it's double lined through here. All they had to do was run a little bit of this through the sleeve because it is so itchy. So that's a bummer, which is probably why I'm not gonna keep it. I don't know, I love the way it looks though. I love blazers with shorts. It's like my favorite style and I love this pinstripe. It's everything about it is cute. If you can get past the itchiness of it, then try it. I'm very sensitive to that because my biggest thing is like, I want to look cute obviously, but I need to be comfortable. If I am not comfortable, I don't feel cute. I don't like act like myself. It's just not a good thing. So I just don't know. I'm hoping that I can find a pinstriped blazer linen that's not itchy on the sleeves and not like $100. You know, that one's only 35 bucks. So it's a good like price point for like a trendier seasonal item. So anyways, those are all of the items that I picked up in my recent Target haul. If you guys enjoy seeing these videos, let me know, like always, by giving this video a thumbs up. Let me know what brands you want to see next. I'm thinking an Urban Outfitters might be next. Some of y'all requested that, and I haven't shopped there since I was in college. I don't think I've even stepped foot into one since I was in college. So I don't even know what it looks like anymore. I could definitely try that. I do have a wedding dress try on haul coming soon. Not a wedding dress, a wedding guest dress, even though I should be trying on my own wedding dresses soon, but that's for another topic. But I have a summer wedding guest try on haul coming soon that I placed a bunch of dresses because I myself have some weddings coming up and I wanted your help picking them, but also to give you some ideas and inspiration on where to shop for wedding guest dress is. Okay, I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.